My name is Angela. I am from Palmira. I am 30 years old. This is my description monument for Palmira, Valle del Cauca, Colombia. The second stage of the cathedral was built at the beginning of the century and the third stage that included the construction of the main tower in the 50s. The coming of the subdirector of national movement was to deliver the domain and the fact of the cathedral delivered restored. The original color of the dome were recorded as well as the internal standard large windows. The columns and the moldings with their color on the facade In the dome of the back of the temple, the original color was found under several layers of vinyl. The facade of the terrace and the original cornice that correspond to the 19th century are also part of the recovery work. The remodeling work in the outer zone began in February 1995. In sucessive stages, the costs are estimated 1.6 billion pesos capital from Evans. Restored architect Jorge Aníbal Rosero signed that the work are 20% and had estimated that the house will be ready in the July 1998. The material and techniques used passed to an anti-same structure for the safety of parishioners. The inner part of the temple will remain in the hands of the Ministry of Culture. Clergy, I invite you to visit this beautiful place. Thank you.